righty, tighty.
It was like backwards, remember?
Anyway, everyone. Oh, give me the mic. Thank you. We're doing a VB install. A X-Force. Is that what it's called? X-Force?
Varex. Varex X-Force? I don't know.
Okay. It's a Valvetronic exhaust. We're gonna get the name later.
Yeah.
The box said X-Force. The Valvetronic exhaust over there. Bhavik, show him. Yeah, it's that. Good quality. It's from overseas, you know. So we're gonna see how good it sounds. Brand new one. Huge difference. Huge difference. All right. So we just finished installing the X-Force exhaust or whatever this catback's called. This is what it looks like under the car. Looks good. The wires are hanging because we're about to snake the the harness through the spare tire thing right there. You just pop the little gasket with a screwdriver. I'm gonna use that one right there. Pop it out. We're gonna feed it from the top, and then we're gonna feed it through the entire car. But yeah, it came out really good. It was actually a really easy install. Yeah, and then inside the exhaust. Anyway, so we're gonna do a cold start. I'm using Bhavik's phone for a cold start video for himself.
I lost the remote.
And he lost the remote. What? I didn't connect the DJI mic just because I want this to be like an open. He's got him. He's gonna check if the valves are opening. Oh, let's get a video of that.
See if you like.
What?
Is it open?
I don't know. Oh, yeah. Close it all the way. Press the other button. Okay, I can't tell.
Okay.
Do it again. Here, just turn your light on here. Oh wait, let me stand back. Ready?
Ready?
Very quiet. Called it. Sounds great though. No exhaust leaks. Bhavik is now closing the valves. That's pretty cool.
This is smarter than mine.
That's pretty cool. Open. That's pretty cool. No exhaust leaks, first try too. Close it? Close it. No. I think that's just how it sounds then. It's a good tone. It's a great tone. It's aggressive, actually. Talk. That's alright, because I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so we finished. We finished Bhavik's exhaust. You know, the X-Force one. It's X something. Alright, Bhavik, start it up. You don't have remote start, I forgot. We don't have remote start.
Like you have it.
Nope, yep. We don't have remote starts. Because we're... Alright. Wait, are those open or...
Yeah.
Okay, so the valves are open. Very nice and subtle deep tone. Very nice. His car is warmed up, so he's going to give it some revs. Nice. Now, he's going to close it. All the way. Nice. I hope the mic's picking it up. I probably should be using the DJI mic because it's windy, but... See? Very quiet. Very quiet. We would do a cold start, but I don't live with him. Nice. Ooh, maybe we can see the valves more. Alright, close it. Oh. Is that on your keychain? one's so bad. I should be using the mic, but it's alright.
I should give it the cams.
The cam.
No big deal, but
Bhavik is turning his AC on. And now it's cammed. This really is a good vlogging camera. God, it's so weird. Yeah, even from back here, like, you can have a good conversation. Nice.